Hi, today I want to talk about used modified trucks by Devolro that we have for sale. At the moment we have two Tundras, SR5 and Platinum, that are both ready to go. Both of them have miles on them, so first let me cover how we brought the donor trucks to the original states. First, we fully scan the tracks to see what's not visible in order for us to fix the parts or replace them with brand new ones. We thoroughly check the engine, frame, transmission, electronics, safety features and other aspects of the car. Some parts are replaced by OEM parts. For example, let's say the car has a transmission problem. We would replace it with an OEM part. Other parts like body kits, lights, lift kits and so on, we upgrade with either Devolro Custom parts or with highly trusted brands such as Fox, Icon, Nito, basically the brands that we use ourselves and recommend to our clients. As we know, there are a lot of concerns and debates going around buying a used truck. I would like to mention that we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on our used trucks. That gives you time to drive the truck and confirm that it's in great shape. And if you believe there's an issue, we'll return you the money. To make it even better, we offer 3 months of free fix-up if there's an issue made or overlooked by a Devolro team. Let's take a look at the cars we have for sale now. This is a used 2019 Tundra Platinum. It has about 56,000 miles on it. After restoring all the used up parts, we also added some custom Devolro bumpers with fog lights, some step bars, fender flares and a bed bar. Driving improvements, we added a 2.5-inch Icon lift kit, Icon upper control arms, TRD sway bar, fuel wheels and Nito tires. Some of the body parts were covered in a protective Devex coating to add some contrast as well as to protect the truck from external damage. The 2020 Tundra SR5 has around 25,000 miles on it and a bit more add-ons. In addition to the things we added to the Platinum model, this one is fully covered in Devex protective coating, and instead of the bed bar, we placed a topper with a roof rack and 360 LED bars. We didn't add anything to the interior of the trucks because they were both in good condition. I'd like to mention that we put the starter kits on the trucks, but there are extra options that you can add to the truck, such as performance brakes, supercharger, new interior, train horn, Tesla style screen and so much more. We also offer financing options if you're interested. To find out more, you can always visit one of our websites, which are atvmotors.us, our main website, or devolro.com. This is our truck division website. Thank you for listening and hope you sign up, subscribe, like, share and see you soon.